Okay, so I'm the kind of player who loves having a bit of fun sometimes, having a bit of variety to my game, and I think everybody should. You know, we work on good ground strokes, good volleys, good serves, add a drop shot. Everybody wants a drop shot. You see a lot of players hitting them on tour these days, and there's two ways to really hit a drop shot. The maybe more challenging one, but the one that sometimes seems more fun, is when you hit it from behind the baseline. So let's say I've hit a good deep ball, moved my opponent deep, and now I think I'm going to hit this, but then I hit a little drop shot off the baseline, and notice how what I'm doing is just taking the ball early and killing it, right? But my racket is still going forward. So one more here, I take it early, and open racket face, and just that. Now, you've got to do that, two things. You've got to do that when your opponent is pretty far back, because you're far away from the net. You've got to get it close enough to the net that they're not going to come in and take advantage of it. But also, disguise is very important. The second one, which is maybe easier to hit when you're closer to the net already. The second drop shot is, well, second time you hit a drop shot, which is what you maybe do more often. You're closer to the net, and there's two good times to play this. It's a great shot to have. You're playing doubles, you've come to the net, you receive a short ball, it's low down here. What do I do with this? It's bouncing, I can't volley. Maybe be able to hit a little drop so the other person can't volley. The other way is you've pushed your opponent deep, you're up at the net, they're way in the corner, and you want to hit a little touch over here. Now, a couple of things to watch out for here. Number one, nice soft hands. No death grip on the racket. Your hand is going to be nice and soft so you can move your strings under the ball. You are trying to, with an open racket face, move the strings under the ball, open racket face going forward. And a good thing to maybe focus on is imagine you're going to get the ball to go up and drop onto the top of the net. That's sort of your target, that the ball drops on the top of the net. So if I just hit a couple, and just here, open racket face, and I'm trying to think the ball is going to drop on the top of the net. Again, key to this is disguise. You don't want to make it look so obvious that you're going to do this. So as I'm coming up to the net, I've come up, I'm going to hit my forehand, then I'm just going to move my strings under the ball. One more. Move my strings, open racket face under the ball. What I see too much is somebody think I've really got to do a lot of this. Too much spin, you're going to cut it too much, open racket face under the ball. Moving your palm under the ball towards your target. So a great shot to add to your repertoire. It's a lot of fun. Final word of warning though, don't use it too often. One, it's a high risk shot, and two, your opponents will start reading it and they'll be all over it.